Even benzene diazonium salts, benzene diazonium chloride, when treated with this H3POD, this is a reductant, again reductant. It forms benzene and also nitrogen gas and H3PO4 plus HCl and HCl is reduced. So it is again reductant. It reduces the benzene diazonium chloride to benzene. So H3PO2, due to presence of pH bonds, 2 pH bonds, it acts as a good reducing agent which can be reduces salts solutions into metals. The metallic salts are converted into metals. So these are about oxy acids. Some important reactions. White phosphorus when treated with sodium hydroxide solution, it undergo disproportionation and forms NaH2PO2, sodium hypophosphite, and also phosphine. So here phosphorus undergo disproportionation. Here phosphorus is 0. Here phosphorus is +1. Here phosphorus is -3. 0 to +1 and -3 undergo oxidation reaction. So this is a disproportionation example. And also phosphorus trichloride upon hydrolysis gives us acid H3PO3 plus HCl, phosphorus acid. Whereas phosphorus pentachloride upon treatment with water, it forms phosphoric acid plus HCl, acid, ic acid. So pentahalides forms ic acid, trihalide form acid, phosphoric acid, phosphorus acid. And similarly trihalide, phosphorus trioxide upon hydrolysis also same forms H3PO3, acid. Whereas phosphorus pentoxide upon treatment with water forms phosphoric acid. So trihalides, trioxides forms phosphorus acid. Pentaoxide forms phosphoric acid. And even N2O3 when treated, nitrogen trioxide upon hydrolysis forms nitrous acid. This is a nitrous acid. Similarly, nitrogen pentoxide upon hydrolysis it forms nitric acid, nitrous acid. So trihalides forms acids, pentahalides forms ic acids. Next anomalous behavior of nitrogen. Anomalous behavior of nitrogen. Anomalous behavior of nitrogen. If you see nitrogen is due to reason why it can show so anomalous behavior. Anomalous behavior means this nitrogen can form so different behavior compared to other same group elements. The reason is it has small size, high electronegativity, and absence of d d orbitals absence. Absence of d orbitals. And for in penultimate shell, nitrogen have only 2 electrons, but other have 8 and 18. In penultimate shell, only 2 electrons. Only 2 electrons. So due to these reasons, nitrogen can be shown anomalous different behaviors with other elements. So those characteristics, properties, different anomalous properties. Anomalous properties. Number 1. Nitrogen is a gas, but other are solids. Nitrogen is a gas, but other these group elements are solids, but others are solids. Mean phosphorus, arsenic, stibine and bismuthine are solids. And nitrogen is diatomic molecule. Nitrogen is diatomic, but other, if you see, phosphorus, arsenic, stibine are tetraatomic. Bismuthine monoatomic. So nitrogen is diatomic, phosphorus, arsenic, stibine tetraatomic, bismuth is monoatomic. Next, the most stable oxidation state of nitrogen -3 is preferred in favorable oxidation state. For nitrogen. For nitrogen, -3 is the favorable oxidation state. But for others, for other elements, nitrogen, for other mean phosphorus, arsenic, stibine, +3, +5 are favorable oxidation states. Next, nitrogen only forms trihalides, but not pentahalides. Nitrogen not forms pentahalides, because of absence of d orbitals. Reason: absence of no d orbitals. Other can be forms pentahalides. Next, nitrogen can be forms more oxides. Nitrogen forms more number of oxides because of strong p-pi bond. Whereas phosphorus, arsenic, stibine, they forms only tri and penta oxides. Nitrogen forms more number of oxides, but other forms only tri and penta oxides. Next, nitrogen cannot form d-pi p-pi bonds. Nitrogen cannot form d-pi p-pi bonds because of absence of d orbitals. But other can be forms. Example, E double bond O. This is a dialkyl phosphoroxide, which can be forms. And also d-pi bonds. d-pi bonds not formed by nitrogen, but other can be forms. Other can be